From a high-speed pursuit of a kidnapping suspect to an Audi evading a traffic stop by the Georgia State Patrol and a dramatic Florida highway patrol chase ending with an epic pit maneuver on an armed carjacking suspect. These are some of the most unbelievable police dash cam moments ever captured. Officers from the Anoka County Sheriff's Office in Minnesota are in pursuit of a suspect wanted for sexual assault. The suspect had been on the run for several weeks, having failed to appear in court earlier. After weeks of issuing warrants and surveillance, the patrol team identified and confirmed the suspect as the driver of a white car ahead. A high-speed pursuit ensued immediately.
14, he just hit a car, grazed a car on 65 at 117th. Come on, taking part of his car. Guy's 113.
Phone assault report. I see him coming up here. He's coming.
Right lane. David 14 southbound. Sticks were a good hit.
1833. Is he waiting in a vehicle or?
The suspect's vehicle maintained a high speed, but the police continued to close in, executing sudden pit maneuvers. After several attempts and closings, the suspect's car careened into the grassy median between two lanes, moving underneath with the rear of the vehicle damaged. 5 police cars then surrounded and apprehended the suspect.
I believe she's an ASAP ambulance rescue. Oh, you know. 17, he's trying to get southbound and northbound lane. 3017, copy, trying to get southbound and northbound lane, he's 1035. 3017, copy, trying to get southbound and northbound lane, he's 1035.
Law enforcement had to use a stun gun to subdue the suspect. He was apprehended in a dramatic conclusion to the pursuit. Following the arrest, the suspect received medical treatment in an ambulance due to injuries sustained during the apprehension. The suspect's recklessness highlighted the professionalism and determination of the patrol team in apprehending criminals.
down, split, 237 car. 237 south on the shoulder. 20 is secondary, I'm behind the work around again. Secondary, left 27, moving up the pit. We got self-driving. Now, and on the right, missed opportunity, moving back up. Got me take down.
Turn around! Turn around! Keep your hands up!
Successful pit.
3333, I copy, successful pit.
3333, I pinned him.
10-4, I copy, your pin number, your squad.
The Coordination Center of the Columbia County Sheriff's Office has just received a 911 call reporting a stolen truck. And the caller is a woman in Columbia County who states that she was sleeping in the back seat of the vehicle when it was suddenly stolen. The suspect is believed to be an unknown male, and she has no idea where they might be heading, and the male driver shows no intention of letting the woman out of the vehicle. The woman can still occasionally maintain contact with the 911 dispatch center. She has provided the GPS location of the vehicle, and the patrol officers have received the information.
1028, running on 3 wheels, coming around the big ass curbs.
The police force has laid a spike strip on the road where the suspect is advancing.
Passenger side wheel, rear passenger side. Currently approaching units.
3326.
3330, spikes hit!
The vehicle then drives into the strip, hitting the steel wires set up by the police in the front. However, the suspect's vehicle still attempts to move at a high speed to evade the pursuit. Perhaps for that reason, the vehicle seems unable to maintain the previous high speed. The vehicle nearly loses control on the road.
4 tires are deflated. We're at Lodi Shell, going through the intersection, heading towards Quick Trip, north.
3350 up around, 39. 3304, they probably have one certified. See if they do, and ask that they complete that with the speed of the program.
3326, no for it. Too dangerous to crank in front of them. All over the road. After that.
They do have states that can do pit and they're authorized to do it. Do you want it under 35 miles per hour or over? Want it under 35 miles per hour or over?
3333, I just tried to pass the suspect vehicle. He tried to react to me. No contact, but it was close.
Usually when they're making a turn onto another roadway, it's not ample time. 149.
304, is it 10-2 for the state patrol to pit above 35 miles per hour?
3304, not for our policy, that's their call.
10-4.
The The police cars coordinate smoothly and prepare for intervention. The first pit attempt is successful.
Successful pit, successful pit.
3333, I copy. Successful pit.
3333, I pinned him.
3331 at gunpoint. Have EMS on standby. Full airbag deployment.
I'm gonna come around this side and we're gonna open that door. I have a cane on you, we'll get bit. Keep your hands up.
Hands are up. I can see hands up.
Passenger side, come around and get this.
Keep your hands up. Be quiet.
Want me to get Halligan?
Keep your hands up.
Can't get this with a snowbank.
If you move down, the dog bite you. Do you understand?
I'm back at Tester's vehicle up. Move.
Cut this.
Coming. Back up a little bit, Josh. I'll go 95.
2 hands. Guys, 2 hands.
I'll go
Wait. Guys, 2 hands. I'm not resisting.
Put it back.
on your head. Put your hands behind your head.
Josh. It's okay.
We got it. I'm not taking no chances here. It hasn't been searched.
I'm not doing anything.
The suspect is apprehended immediately and taken to the county jail. The woman is rescued without any injuries.
Yeah, I'm off the rim, dude. Yep.
Taking a left on the water. Red light clear.
Right in front of you guys. That's it.
To call.
Can you spell those streets for please?
Blooming.
You come over, bro.
Stafford, the northbound or southbound?
Southbound. That's it. We're south of 247. Tell me where. As well.
A recent report about a speeding white car on the highway prompted the timely response of the Highway Patrol. The vehicle exhibited dangerous behavior, weaving through lanes in a reckless manner. The police closed in on the car, attempting a pit maneuver without success. The vehicle then changed lanes, speeding past moving trucks. A patrol car maneuvered closely behind, executing a pit on the left side. However, the driver remained undeterred, accelerating with the car now covered in scratches. The pursuit became highly perilous as multiple vehicles were still on the road and the suspect's car continuously changed lanes. The suspect's car narrowly avoided collisions with various moving vehicles, requiring the highway patrol to devise the quickest intervention plan.
Armide on, approaching TJ.
9-7, remind units school zones. Remind them school zones. If the helicopter's above, open the door.
Alright. Anticipating U-turn maximum drive.
Can you advise, is the helicopter still as well? On the ground, we have officers at gunpoint.
With no escape route, the driver voluntarily stepped out of the car, surrendering. The pursuit demanded significant effort from the highway patrol. We hope that this video has helped you understand more about the challenges and dangers that the traffic police force faces. This understanding will enhance empathy and respect for their work, ensuring the safety of the community. Thank you for accompanying us. And please continue to follow our channel for more exciting content. Goodbye and see you again.